friends, I'm Chef Corna. Today we are going to make Rajasthan's famous corn and palak ki sabzi. So for this we require ghee, salt, turmeric, cumin seeds, red chili powder, garam masala, garlic, corn, spinach. So firstly we'll put some oil in the pan, approx 2 spoons. Until the time it's getting hot, we'll cut the spinach. So we'll put cumin seeds now. Until the time it gets hot, we'll crush 3 to 4 garlic and add it. So now we'll add garlic to it. And after that we'll add spinach to it. Now we'll cook this for a while. Now we'll put all the spices. First of all we'll add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala 1/4 teaspoon, and we'll mix it well. Now we'll add corn, the corn which we had boiled it before only. If you want, you can even use the tin products. So now we'll add salt to it as per taste. So we'll cook this for approximately 5 to 7 minutes and add a little bit of ghee. So friends, our dish corn and palak ki sabzi is now ready. So we'll serve it in a serving plate. We'll garnish this with tomato, along with it we'll add green chili, so friends, our dish corn and palak ki sabzi is now ready. So did you see? It's so easy to make and it's so healthy. So you can make this and enjoy it with your entire family. So next time I'll be here again with some new recipe. Till then, happy